Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Lip Monthly July bag. Super cute this month, very appropriate for summer. And I know they recently raised the price of this bag, but it's still a really good deal. Here's the little card on the inside. They used to tell us, or sometimes they do, list the products and how much they are worth, but I don't think they did this month unless there's something else inside, which it doesn't look like there is. So, the first item I'm pulling out is from Manna Kadar, Diamond Dust. I think the shade is Pixie. And this, it says, you can use as a bronzer, a highlighter, a shadow, or on the lips for a metallic finish. I bet that would be really pretty. Also have a matte liquid lipstick from Vera Cosmetics, I believe it is. That is sealed. Let me go ahead and open it. This is a really nice shade that I would wear. I like those kind of neutrals or the nudes. I will not wear like pinks or reds or anything like that. I just think I'm too pale for it. So I will definitely use that. That's really nice. Then we have Floss. Never heard of that brand. And it's a very similar shade. This one has a little bit more of a pink hue to it. And it says, it's my new favorite lip gloss. Oh, I thought it was going to be a squeeze tube, but it's not. So that, yeah, that's cute too. I would do that because it's not super pigmented. So far, so good. And there's one more item in here. That was a struggle to be able to get that open, but this one, kind of like a berry color. Just a little lip liner pencil, and I think the brand is Cab, it looks like, K-A-B. Not sure if that stands for anything, but I liked when they gave the information on here. That way you just know the prices. And I believe the price now is $12.95 a month. I still think it's a good deal. You get 4 to 5 items typically. You always get a bag, and I like it. So if you guys are interested in joining, I will have a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.